G'day and greetings. It's your boy Chris Arena from the beautiful sunny Gold Coast of Queensland, Australia. Here to just do a little brief unboxing video for a company that's relatively new to me and my life and the life of our family, but definitely not new in concept or technology. Now been around since the 1950s, I believe. Please feel free to do your own research. But what has been the problem for many years, for many of you who are watching this video, no doubt you've probably already learned, and if you haven't, this technology not being new, but inaccessible or unaffordable because of the sheer size of the technology when it first came out many decades ago, and of course very expensive. But look, I'm pleased to advise those of you who are watching this video right now, I placed an order for this particular device over 2 weeks ago now, and I was expecting it to arrive in 6 to 8 weeks because the company is based in Asia, making its way now into Australia and North America. Very exciting times, very exciting opportunity to be part of in these early stages. But look, all I wanted to do today was show you what was inside. Let's take a look. So it's obviously got a very nice, solid bit of cardboard that it uses, as you would expect for a device of, as you can see there, ordered the P90 Plus, which is one of their flagship products, and of course an improvement on the P90. So this particular device is 1,500 US plus a 10% in extra shipping and taxes. And whoa, okay, there you go. Some of the little attachments have already started to find their way out as I was pulling out the styrofoam. Looks like we've got some moisturizing and nourishing youthful glow gel. Not sure what that is, but I guess we'll find out. Also got some more Opti Relax gel. I'm not sure what that is, but I guess we'll find out eventually. But here's the additional attachments that you don't get with the P90, which I am still yet to learn exactly what they do, but I believe they do some massaging, and also they have like a beauty wand for those who want to maintain or continue to promote some youthful looks as they continue to age gracefully. So yeah, again, I'm not really too sure how any of this stuff works. All I'm simply doing today is showing you what it looks like, so you can have a bit of an idea of what to expect yourself when you are ready to start looking into this more further and more deeply. So let's just put that there for now. Oh, that's good that they give you, for us Australians, an adapter, so that we can obviously accommodate for what would normally only be applicable in Asia. And so we just put that in there, and now we can plug that into the sockets here in Australia after I know how to put it in properly. What am I doing wrong here? Anyway, I've got one of these adapters. I'm sure I'll work it out later. Just leave that there for now. There's a user manual. Looks like they provide some fuses, I guess when replacement fuses are required. And now it's got in here. I think I've opened it up the wrong way, or maybe they put it in the wrong way. But here we go. Put that there. Here is the main device. As you can see, it does have some instructions, I dare say, in Chinese or Korean. But yeah, it's a very beautiful device. much bigger foot plates than the one we've been using, thanks to a very lovely friend of ours, Sue, who let us borrow her normal P90, but this is the P90 Plus, and you can see definitely it's a much bigger, it's got a digital display as well, which the P90 doesn't have, and some nicer buttons. So anyway, pretty much it. I hope you found this interesting, and if you have any questions, I'm sure we can discuss further. Thanks for watching.